guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you some super easy to make and healthy recipes. So if you are like me and you are always looking for snacks and desserts that are healthy but also taste delicious, then I hope that you are going to find this video helpful. So let's get started with our first recipe. So I'm going to start by mashing 2 bananas. Next, I'm going to add 2 eggs. Half of a teaspoon of baking powder. Next, I'm going to add 1 scoop of protein powder. I am using my Protein World milk chocolate flavor protein powder, and I also have a discount code which I'm going to link in the description box. And next, I'm going to add a little bit of oats as well. Now I'm going to heat up a little bit of oil in the frying pan. You can also use butter if you want. So once this is done, I am going to add raspberries and some vanilla yogurt. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of chia seed. And this is really optional, but I melted a little bit of chocolate in here and I'm going to drizzle this over. So we just got back home and I wanted to make a snack quickly before I go to the gym. So I'm going to use half a cup of oats. And I'm going to add about half a cup of water, and the other half will be milk. So I'm going to cook this on a medium heat for about 5 minutes. Okay, now the oat is almost done. It's nice and creamy. I'm going to add my protein powder. At this point I'm going to turn off the hob and just stir it in. So the first thing I'm going to add is this granola with seeds and nuts. I'm also going to add some chia seeds, a bit of hemp seed, some peanut butter, if you like your oats a bit more sweet, you can add a little bit of honey. I'm going to just drizzle a little bit on top. So as you can see, it only took a few minutes and it looks amazing. This snack is also really filling and healthy. The chia seeds are super healthy, obviously the fruits and the granola as well. It has loads of different seeds and nuts, which is really good for your gut health. Now for our next snack, we are going to make a protein smoothie. The first thing I'm going to add is 1 banana. For some extra sweetness, I like to add some dates. I'm just going to add 1. I always add chia seeds into my smoothies. Next, I'm going to use the Protein World protein powder again. 1 spoon of crunchy peanut butter. This is definitely my favorite peanut butter brand. And to make the smoothie a little bit more filling, I like to add a little bit of oats in there. Now I'm going to add the milk. Usually I use oat milk, but this time I'm just going to use normal milk. You can drink this before or after your workout. You can also have it as breakfast or a snack between meals. For this drink, I am going to be using some strawberries and watermelon. I am also going to add some raspberries, some mint leaves, And before we blend it, I'm also going to squeeze in some lime juice. We are going to be making a fruit salad, and I'm going to start by slicing the strawberries. I am going to add this to the bowl. I'm also going to add 1 kiwi. I'm going to add some grapes. So now that we are done adding all the fruits, I am going to mix some freshly squeezed orange juice with some honey. So for our next recipe, we are going to be using this protein word pancake mix. So all you need for this is milk and the pancake mix. We are going to mix it all together and then fry it in a frying pan. So this is vanilla chocolate chip flavor. You can see the chocolates in there. So I'm going to add 8 scoops of this. It smells so nice and sweet. I can smell the vanilla. And I just love how easy it is to make these pancakes. It's perfect for breakfast when you don't have a lot of time to spend in the kitchen. So I am heating up a little bit of oil in a pan. Okay, so now you can see the bubbles on top. Now it's time to flip the pancake. Okay, that was quite easy to flip and it smells amazing. So the pancakes are ready, and I made some chocolate custard today, so I am going to add a little bit of that. I am going to add just a little bit of peanut butter on top as well, and I'm going to sprinkle a bit of chia seeds on top. So our pancakes are ready to be served. So this is the end of the video, and I hope that you guys found this helpful. As I mentioned it before, I am going to leave a discount code in the description box for you, which gets you 30% off any Protein World product. Please let me know in the comment section which of these recipes you are going to try. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.